Hello children, today we have lesson on preposition. It will help to improve your English skills. Okay, let's learn what is a preposition. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time and locations of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. For example, in, on, at, to, of, for, with, near, from, under, above, below, inside, outside, between, etc. We use in for position. In a room, in a building, in a box, in a garden, in a town or in a country, in a pool, in the sea, in a river, in a line, in a queue. In the sky, in the world, in a book, in bed, in a picture, in hospital, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the front, in the back, etc. In for longer periods, for example, months, years, season. In October, in 2020, in the winter, in the past, in the future, etc. The doll is in the box. I am now in my grandparents' house. Early in the morning, I go to swimming. My grandfather takes us for long walks in the evening. We use on for days and dates. On Friday, on 21st May 2020, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, next, on for position. On the table, on the floor, on a chair, on the wall, on a page, on your shirt, on the left, on the right, on the ground floor, on the first floor, on a map, on a list, on the way, on a bus, on a train, on a bike, etc. The pillows are on the bed. The bed sheets are on the bed. The table is on the floor. The box is on the floor. The cot is on the floor. The bed is on the cot. The vase is on the table. The ball is on the floor. Sometimes we go to shopping together on his scooter. We use at for the time of day. At 5 o'clock, at 11:45, at midnight, at lunchtime, at sunset, etc. At for position. At the bus stop. At the door. At the window. At the top. At the bottom. At the end. At the party. At the meeting, etc. We use at in this expression at night, at the weekend, at Christmas, at the moment, at the same time. Write your name at the top of the page. Turn left at the traffic light. I am going away at the end of May from. He buys whatever we want from the shop. I learned it from you. Two. I want to win. Anju began to enjoy the company of her grandparents. I am going to school. Off. He tells us a lot of jokes. My grandmother tells us a lot of stories. We all are very fond of our grandparents. For. My grandmother makes delicious food for us. My grandfather takes us for long walks in the evening. We pray for their long life and good health. With. I simply enjoy being with them. Come with me. I write with a pen. Near. He buys whatever we want from the shop which is near the house. Don't go near the fire. Under. The mouse is under the table. There is a cat under the bed. Above. Birds are flying above the trees. There is a kite flying above the tree. Below. Read the text below. It will help to improve below average students. Inside. The trees can be seen from inside the room. The sun cannot be seen from inside the room. Outside. The sun is outside the window. The trees are outside the window. Let's go outside. Between. The ball is between the table and cot. This is secret between you and me. Thank you.